Hi, good morning. It is Sunday and I am just coming out of church, and so I've got a bunch of vlogs made and I was supposed to get around to helping me or Joel editing this weekend, and we had some very unexpected events come up over the weekend, and so we attended to those things that come first in our lives, and so we were not able to edit a vlog, and we very easily could have just not put one up or thrown one together. And I just thought I just want to get on here and just say, you know, thank you for supporting our channel. Even if we don't have a regular vlog going up, there's like no such thing as a regular vlog, right? Maybe just something that you're used to, but
They want a montage for me, Bon.
so maybe if you would like to go back, find an old vlog, and in the comments, I think this would be really fun as a way to support us in a time where we weren't able to put something together for you. And I mean, how often has that happened in the last 8 years? Not very often. So go find an old video, and then in the comment section, tell me what video you watched and tell me what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, like whatever. Just tell me something about it, because I think that would be a nice way to interact in this video, and we'll definitely be responding to some comments. And then today, I don't usually share this kind of stuff, but there's a talk that I read, and it is based on, you know, my faith, and you may not be a part of my faith, but I still feel like this may, I don't know, bring some comfort, especially with the last couple years in the world. There's been, I think, either a skyrocket of mental illness or just people talking about mental illness. And there's a talk that goes over those that struggle with anxiety, depression, suicidal thoughts, and this talk really, I don't know, it brings a little bit of peace in, even in just the fact that you're not alone in it. It brings some comfort in the fact of it's okay to get help, and you should get help the same way. And my mom once said this, and I thought it was so beautiful. She said, if you struggle with mental illness, you should get the medication that is going to help you, because the same way someone that is diabetic needs their medication, it's very important to go to someone reputable, someone that's licensed, and get some good help, because the help that's out there is not created equal. So find someone good and reputable. And I believe that we all have talents in this world to help each other, and when we use those talents to help each other, that's God's plan. And there are those professionals that are there to help us. We help each other, and it is their profession, but my YouTube channel is my profession, and I really believe that. And not even I believe, people that have reached out and really said how I've helped them. That wasn't my intention in the beginning, but it just kind of happened. For those of you also that haven't been told that someone loves you recently, I would like to tell you that I love you. Because we all deserve love. And nobody should have to earn it. And I know there's a lot of hurt in the world. I know that there is. And I'm sorry if you're hurting. I love you, and things will get better one day. So, is that okay? Okay. Thank you guys so much for supporting us. And the thought just popped in my mind. People like make fun of people that cry on the internet. You guys, I'm the OG that cried on the internet. Mama said that it was okay. Mama said that it was quite all right. Now insert all the clips of me crying over the years. I said it was fine to cry on the internet. And the reason that I think it's fine is because I know that some of you cry with me. And sometimes that's all people need, is just someone to cry with them. We might be crying for totally different reasons, But regardless, there is a connection there, and that's what we're here to do. We're here to support each other, we're here to love each other, and not everyone gets that love and support. So at least in these tiny moments of me looking you in the eyes through the screen, knowing that you're supported and loved. So I will close the vlog here, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.